A new stroller from Italy. We have Chicco Glee compact fold, lightweight at 5.9 kg only. Support from newborn up to 22 kg, approximately 4 years old. Glee is established with fun graphic collection, quality materials, and exclusive details. Soft and comfortable handlebar. The frame is aluminum materials. 4-level adjustable canopy. Expandable. Water-resistant treatment with UPF 50+. And a pickable window for you to keep an eye on your baby. Smooth padding with built-in cushion. 3-level adjustable leg rest. Multiple recline position can be easily handled by one hand. 5-point harness with design padding. Removable and adjustable handlebar. Ventilation standard size basket. Come with a rain cover accessory. Connector brake. 1 step to lock and 1 step to release. 4-wheel suspension from the front and the back. Equipped with high-end ball bearing to give parents a smooth handling experience. Easy folding with one hand and can be standalone and only 5.9 kg. In summary, Chicco Glee is recommended for parents who love eye-catchy with stylish design, suitable for indoor, shopping and daily usage. Check out Chicco Glee at My Love Baby to get extra value. Thank you for watching. I'm Joseph, Baby Boss.